want to look at how we can determine if a vertical shift happens for a function. The key on this is you need to know what is the original function. What does it look like? So if I have this first one, I have the absolute value of x. And we've looked at that a number of times, and so we know that that's a v-shaped coming off the origin going upwards. So now, if somebody gives me g of x and they say I want the absolute value minus 3, now notice the minus 3 is outside of the original function. So that means it's going to be a vertical shift, and since it's negative, it's going to move it down 3 units. So what does that mean? Well, that means that I would look at the original. I would technically not have to graph anything. I could just come down 1, 2, 3 units, and it's going to look exactly the same. Now what about the second one? Well, it says I've got x squared, so we know that the graph of x squared is a parabola beginning at the origin, going up. Now this time it tells me that I've got plus 2. So it's going to be the original function, and I'm going to go 2 more units. So if it's on the outside of the function, it's going to shift in the up direction. So I'm going to move up 1, 2, and then I have my parabola from there. So remember that it's on the outside is what we're looking at. If it's negative, you go down, and if it's positive, you go up.